Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to bot geometry dash levels. Botting allows you to automate precise movements, helping you conquer extremely challenging sections or entire levels. We'll cover selecting the right software, setting up your environment, and recording your first botting sequence. This process can save you countless hours of practice, letting you enjoy the game's creative aspects more fully. It's a powerful technique for tackling the most demanding user-created content. Once you have your botting software, the next step is proper setup. Most bots require specific configurations to interact seamlessly with Geometry Dash. You'll typically need to adjust settings like screen resolution and frames per second to match your game. Running Geometry Dash in windowed mode is often essential for the bot to accurately capture and execute movements. Take a few minutes to review the software's documentation for any unique installation steps or system requirements. With your software configured, you can begin recording your bot's actions. Start by playing a small section of the level, allowing the bot to capture your precise key presses and mouse clicks. After recording, play back the sequence to observe its performance. You'll likely need to refine the timing, perhaps by adjusting delays between actions or modifying specific inputs. Many bots offer granular control, letting you tweak movements down to milliseconds for flawless execution. For more advanced botting, explore features such as speed hacks or frame advance, which allow for extremely precise input timing. You can also combine several shorter, perfected bot segments to complete an entire level, even those with vastly different sections. Remember to always back up your game data before trying new botting techniques to prevent any potential loss of progress. Experimentation is key to mastering botting and conquering the most formidable Geometry Dash challenges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.